Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to another trade recap. Today we got another W. Um, I wasn't planning to trade today. It was like I had to trade on my phone and shit, so it was kind of like it wasn't really that hard. So I don't know, but I wasn't in my normal environment, so like the mindset was a bit different. You know what I'm saying? Um, didn't make a lot of money. Made $98, which is way under average, and there was I think only one, yeah, there was only one reason for that. Basically, I had two take profits and only one got hit. And that's why I made $98. And that's kind of a mistake that I also made on a trade today. So let me show you guys. Um, First of all, what did we get? We had, before market opened, we had like a bullish structure, as you can see right here. We're looking pretty bullish. And then market open was 1430 on this candle right here. Wait, no, this candle right here. Close market open. We pushed above these highs right here, and then on yes, we already pushed above these highs, so as you can see, bang. Um, and I thought on yes that we're gonna take out these highs right here, and then like get a move downwards, but we didn't. Um, we retraced, and off of this 15-minute fair value gap, bang, you can see 15-minute fair value gap, and SMT divergence that we got. I took a bullish trade, so we get this 15-minute fair value gap, and then we had this SMT divergence right here, so you can see ES was actually the lagging index on this one, but I still took the trade on Nasdaq. Um, and I'm actually realizing this now. So, I mean, that was also kind of a mistake. I should have. No, I mean, it isn't really a mistake because um, there wasn't a entry on ES. I mean, I could have entered. No, no, I couldn't. No, no, no. Or was there any entry that I? Yeah, no, okay. So there wasn't an entry anyways on ES. So taking the trade on Nasdaq was the right move. And basically, so 15-minute value gap, and then this also counted as a retrace. Bang, you can see really, really nice retrace right here. And then I just waited for one more confirmation, which was a inverse value gap, which we created. So let me put this away so this looks a bit cleaner. And you can see, bang, I think it was a yeah, it was a 3-minute perfect 3-minute inverse fair value gap. So we disrespected a fair value gap on the 3-minute, and then we tapped back into it on this candle. So we disrespected with this candle, tapped back into it, and then had a bullish reaction off of that. And then you can see, bang, my entry. It was actually, mm, I think it was higher. This isn't the right. Let me show you guys. Wait. I didn't even show any proof that I actually took the trade. So just to prove that I actually took the trade. So $109 made, and then $5 is like fee or even more. Oh yeah, okay, yeah, okay, yeah. Because the first second take profit didn't get hit. I actually lost $8 on the second trade, on the second take, on the second, what's it called, like lot, I guess. Reason is because I set the take profit right here. It was like I think it opened up 3 lots. And then I set 2 lots right here to close, and then 1 lot up here. And then the behind entry partial take profit got hit. And then we was moving downwards, and I put my stop loss behind entry, but somehow the stop loss was still showing 3. So 3 lots getting closed. And I was like, oh shit, like I canceled the order, and while canceling the order, so again like change it up to 1 lot only. Market already pushed past break even point, and I closed the trade around here somewhere manually. I mean, yeah, who cares? Um, what was I saying? What was I saying, Brad? I don't even know. So yeah, so this was the entry basically. Okay, yeah, it was. Okay, oh yeah, this was the oh, yeah, blah, blah, blah. Okay. So this was the entry, bang, stop loss below the inverse fair value gap right here. And then I could have probably put the stop loss a bit higher, I guess, but it's okay. So now my mistake was so you can see bang, partial take profit hit right here. My mistake was that I should have probably put full TP right here at these highs. Why? Because first of all, we had, I think 0.618 was right here. Okay, no, it was a bit lower. Okay, no. But the real reason, the actual reason which I was thinking of was because of the 0.786. I wanted to put full TP right here because the Fibonacci was right here, and it wouldn't have made any difference, right? Because it would have got stopped out anyways. But my initial idea was that we move to the 0.786, but I saw these highs right here, which were low resistance highs, so I shouldn't have really counted them for market to sweep these highs out and then move downwards wouldn't have made any sense. So 0.786 would have been fully acceptable too. Um, but yeah, so I mean, either full TP should have been here, or if I want to put any TP more above, then it should have been at the 0.786 Fibonacci. So yeah, really, really nice entry, SMT, retrace, um, fill up fair value gap and then inverse fair value gap and then entry, perfect entry. And then we got actually another theoretical that which is what I'm seeing right now. Theoretically there was another entry right here, another fair value, another SMT divergence, and then disrespecting this one right here. But yeah, I don't think it would have been a good entry anyways. Oh, okay, would have actually got a better risk to reward ratio on this one. But yeah, I think the no, okay, it would have been okay anyways. Okay, yeah, whatever. Took the trade. It was a okay trade. It was a good trade. Was my plan. $98 made. Second take profit didn't get hit. Would have made probably like $150 if second take profit got hit. And yeah, basically everything on the day. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys learned something. Up $1,020 on the account, $2,000 left, a bit less than $2,000, and consistency is looking okay too. Need to make like 200 more dollars, so it's in the acceptable area where I can actually pass the account. So 50% is the account rule. So yeah, see you guys in the next one. Peace out. Bye bye.